Hi everybody, it's me. I'm a YouTuber channel. Well, today we are going to try some of the new, I'm going to show you here, chicken fries. See the bird and the little question mark? Yeah, that's what we're going to try today. And it's the new Pretzel chicken fries at Burger King. They look like this. You see that little salt on it? A little breading? We got to see what this tastes like. You ready? Mmm. It does have salt on it. A lot of breading I'm tasting. A little bit of the salt I taste, but a lot of breading. Really dry. So if you're gonna want to eat this, I would want to have cheese, ranch, or mustard with it. Because it's a little dry, yeah. Like, comment, and share on your thoughts about the chicken pretzel fry from Burger King. I would love to hear your comments. I will be having more up soon, videos, but I don't know when. I am working on new videos. If you have any ideas that ain't like gonna harm your body, I will try to do them. I'm not gonna promise I'm gonna do them. I will try. Like I said, I am trying new things out and see how they go. Yeah, so like, subscribe, favorite, and yeah, just share. Share your thoughts. Tell me how it's like. I love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.